Hey everyone! Transferring money from Alipay to Gcash is actually pretty easy, and in this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So first, start by selecting Alipay Plus payment from the available options. Then, choose Alipay Plus MPP to proceed with the transfer. Once selected, you'll be redirected to the Alipay Plus MPP payment page. On that page, review all the payment details carefully. Once everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the payment. After confirmation, you'll be redirected to the merchant page, indicating that your transfer was successful. You may also get a QR voucher depending on the transaction. Now, once the money lands in your linked bank account, you'll need to use that as a bridge to move the funds into Gcash. Just open your bank's mobile app or online banking platform and transfer the money to your Gcash account from there. Once your Gcash is funded, you can now use it for payments, transfers, or any other Gcash features. Just a heads up, always check for any fees or processing times that might apply during the transfer process. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Alipay to Gcash. Thanks for watching.